I'm hungry, but I'm being lazy. Yeah. There's food in the fridge, but I'm just being lazy. Hey, look at this. It is now $10. The complete videography masterclass, how to film videos. Let's see. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I just had my hair cut. I cut by myself. Yeah, the time now is almost 10 o'clock. I'm actually preparing my a lunch breakfast. This is corned beef, but because I don't have anything here, I just fried it like that. I cut it and fried it like that. Yeah, I don't have anything much here. It's just mess. Yeah, that's why I just fried it. And I'm cooking the rice. Okay. I'm actually waiting for Rafael because we are going to Newcastle. It is already 10:02 and Rafael is not here yet. So I am having my lunch breakfast. If he comes, he can eat also because I cook all the corned beef. Wow, look at that. There are so many bikes in here. These are electric bike also. And they have carriage. Amazing. We are in the partner store of our company. So basically all the employees, they come here in the shop and they get their uniform. Yeah, they have everything here.
Ed, kumuha ako ng uniform.
Yeah, Rafael got five pairs of uniform for free. I didn't take because I feel that I already have a lot of uniform at home. I actually have 7 pieces. I mean seven pairs of jacket and trouser. Yeah, nice. It's free. Look at that. At the moment we are in the Mexican restaurant and I ordered something that I don't really know, but it looks like a fish and chips. That's why I ordered that one. Yeah, and it actually looks like this. Paano kainin?
Yeah, and kapol.
Araw-araw ganito kumain yung mga Mexican.
Meron din silang...
That's the first time I am satisfied with the meal in Mexican food. There are many events that I eat Mexican food. When I was in Sydney, yeah, what I remember, I eat in one restaurant there. I ordered nachos, and I'm not really satisfied. Yeah, I like more the nachos in the Philippines. The name of the outlet is Nacho King. Yeah, they have a really nice nachos in there. The one that I had in Sydney is not really the best. I'm not satisfied. And then another time I eat a burrito in one restaurant in Green Hills here in New South Wales, and I'm also not satisfied. And yeah, just a while ago I had tacos and it's delicious. Yeah, I may be going to order the same thing again in the future. That's the Newcastle interchange. If you are going to the center of Newcastle, you're going to take the tram and it will go in there. You'll be reaching the beach, Newcastle beach. Yeah, that's the train they have here. It looks big. I am now with Jen and the friends of Rafael. We're going to have a coffee somewhere. I don't know.
Dalawa yung 16 minutes.
Starting route to any Asian grocery and food shop.
We are actually going to an Asian store. I think Filipino store. This place is called the Hardip. This Asian store. We are now here in Jesmond Central. We are going to that Filipino, actually it's Asia Pacific grocery near to the Pizza Hut. This is Jesmond Central. There's Glory Jeans, and I'm surprised to see that there is a Taco Bell. Taco Bell is one popular, American tacos outlet. I don't know. It is now already 6:10, but it's still like this. And if you can see, the sun is color yellow. And we are now here. After
Hi, good afternoon.
here.
Punta pa kayo doon sa Wolsen, mayroon pa doon mas malaking tindahan.
QC.
Saan parte ng
QC lang.
Manila?
Apa.
120.
Sige po, salamat.
Ayusin yung kanta nyo, ha?
And we are now in Wallsend. After the Jesmond, we are now here in Wallsend. And there is another branch of Asia Pacific grocery. The lady in the other shop recommend us to come here in their main branch. They have everything here. Even banana leaves, they have. If you notice, most of the houses, buildings here in this area are like old houses, old building. If you compare that to those building in Nelson Bay, you don't see something like this, because Nelson Bay, Port Stephen area is something like a new town. Oh, look at that! That is the moon or the sun. It's color orange. Amazing. No more people here. Less people. And we are back here in Jesmond because we want to try the Taco Bell. Oh, they have a long queue going to the Taco Bell. We're not going to wait for that. That's the end of the line.
After 6 feet, free parking na pala.
Yeah, we are going home now. And we are moving back to the car of Rafael. Subscribe. Oh, mali. Dito pala ako.
Kapila pala. Door. Ikaw magdadal.
Yo, good morning guys. It is now almost 9 o'clock and I'm day of today still. Yeah, these are the things that I bought from the different Asian store yesterday. Two of them are Filipino store. Yeah, this is hot and spicy pork crackers, and this one is miswa, and this one is shiro miso soup. It is nice because this one is made in Japan, you know, so yeah, it's good. Another one, I also bought this mungo. It's a beans, very popular in the Philippines. Yeah, one of my favorite dish. And magic sarap all in one. And mamacita, pancit bihon, rice noodle stir fry mix. And Youngtown sardines. Yeah, Youngtown sardines. These two are good combination. And yeah, this corned beef. And this Ligo, the same sardines. And this tamarind soup base. Yeah, I don't know how much it costs, but maybe around $40. And actually, I still have some stuff here that I bought online like a month ago, like this Filipino style tomato sauce. Or this is Rafael. This from online. Yeah, this is from Aldi. Yeah, I still have some stuff in there. Yeah, so basically, me and Rafael, we went to Newcastle yesterday because he picked up some uniform from the partner store of our company. They gave Rafael 5 pair of chef jacket and a trouser, all for free, and it's amazing. Yeah, nice. You know, if you buy a uniform, chef's uniform, it will one pair, a trouser and a jacket, it will cost like maybe more or less $80 or $50. It depends on the quality. He got 5 and it's nice. We also met the friend of Rafael, Epi and Charwin. Yeah, they are happy, you know, they are funny, they are, you know, it's good to be with them because they have a lot of stories and a lot of conversation, happy conversation. We keep on laughing the whole day that we are together. And Jen is also there. Jen is our friend in Sydney, and she actually went back to the Philippines to complete the experience, a 2 years experience for her to be able to apply for working visa. And now he is back here in Australia. Yeah, he came here first time during the training visa, but you know, because she's like a new in the kitchen during the time, so she needs to complete the 2 years experience in the Philippines, and now she is back here in Australia. Yeah, that's a good story, you know. Yeah, she really wanted to work here in Australia, and now she is back here. Yeah, if